Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Anybody can make with me. Today I'm going to show you all a video on how to make wall hanging using homemade clay. Now let's get started. First of all, you will need 6 pieces of cardboard. The measurement is 3 cm and 16 cm. Next, I'm going to cover these cardboard with black paint. You can use any paint. I'm using acrylic paint. After painting both the sides, leave it to dry. Now I'm taking a used paper as a basement to attach these cardboard. Here I'm using homemade glue. If you want to know how to make homemade glue, I have already done a video on that. Please check the description for the link. Arrange all the 6 pieces of cardboard in this manner. Now I am filling the gaps between the cardboard using the same black color to make it more perfect. The next thing you will need is clay. Here I am using homemade clay. If you want to know how to make homemade clay, I have already done a video on that. Please do check the description for that video. Here I am making a model of Lord Ganesha. You can make any model, anything as your desires. Now I'm painting over the clay to make it more attractive. Here I'm using acrylic paint, orange color and yellow color to make it more colorful. You can use any color that you like. Now I'm cutting all the excess paper. I'm using paper holder to hang it on the wall. You can use double-sided tape too to stick it on the wall. And finally, I'm using golden paint to give a final touch to the wall hanging. Our wall hanging is ready. I hope you all like this video. If you like, don't forget to click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Do try this wall hanging and let me know in the comment section how it works. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.